Hello, this is a database connection, records, work order system. It can also be a any type of forms that you want to have on your website, and if you want the customer or the client or your employee fill it up, they can fill it up live on the website on the browser, and it creates a record. And the record, you can search a record and view a record and edit a record. You can do a lot of different cool things with this customer data information system. I call it a work order system. That's what I call it. So I'm going to show you here how it works, and it's pretty cool, and I can also customize it. Or if you are a programmer, you're a webmaster, you can also customize it however you want. You can make changes to the whole system. Nothing is locked in here. And also it's restrictive admin control. You use a username and password to access the information, or you can let some users, whoever you want, access one of the records or all of the records. You can make people, you can have access, to some people. Like if you have any workers or employees, you can create a page and you can give access to them and fill a form up. Okay, here it is. Currently, this is a HTML with MySQL database and PHP programming. So I built this program here online, and you can you can purchase a plan. Right now we can do $15 a month for right now. Later on it's going to be a little bit more. We can do $15 a month, recurring monthly billing until cancel. Once you have this, I don't think you're gonna cancel, because this is a pretty good program. This is a database. Every company needs a database. Every company, because that's how it is. So you can subscribe, and you can subscribe, and I can put it on this website here. I can put it in, and you're gonna have a folder, secured private folder, where you're going to log in and access all your data. Or we can put it on your website too. We do the $15 a month, and we can put it on your website, and I do all the maintenance and keep it working, updates. So you don't have to deal with any of that programming. So I do everything for you. I can customize it, make it work for your company. If there's a form right there, I can make all the changes. What you want to collect, you want to collect on the input fields. Okay, and you can also purchase the whole entire program, and you can install it. I can install it, or you can install it on your website, and you won't need to pay the monthly fee or anything. It's a one-time fee, or and the installation $85 one-time fee, and I can install it on your website and make all the necessary changes. And once it's completed, I have nothing else to do, and everything is completed. So the best what is it? The best option is this one, because this one is going to help you for the life of the program on your website or my website. And if ever there's the need to make changes, you can just contact me, and I do all the changes. Say one day you have a form that you no longer need, or you want to add a input field, you're gonna have to do it yourself, or you just contact me and I do it for you. Alright, let's see what we have here. Home. So this is a record. Number 7 is a record. Number 6 is a record. Number 5 is another record. Number 8 is different record. See, all of this is one record. So if you want, see, just 8 records in here. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you want to find this record here, you go to search records, and you search by work order ID. You can search by number 8, submit, and you only see this record, number 8. Pretty cool, huh? So if you want to see number 5, if we have a number 5, it's gonna be there. See? So it's a record. We can edit the record. You can edit here or delete it. I needed to remove this because I didn't want, I can't. I'm not sure if this is working here, but I should remove this here because I don't want people to delete it. So edit, you can. Oh yeah, you can't edit because I removed the button. I don't want any person here adding any information, but you're gonna be able to edit. You're gonna be able to edit on your program. You edit, see, name, email, phone, description of home, and we can also put your logo here. So you're gonna have your logo, or we can put it here, however you want. We can put the information here or wherever you want, and you can also print this page. So you put print, you can print that page. Look at that, pretty cool, huh? Wow, pretty cool. You can print one page, or you can print all the pages, and when you print it, see, if you want to print custom, just print the first page, and that's it. That's all you print. You don't print the other page. So print, cancel, okay. So pretty cool. This could be an invoice or a work order. Work order, you can print it out. I think it's pretty cool. So if you want to see view edit records this way, you can also see it. Here there's a delete button. I took it off because I don't want anyone to delete a record. In the edit, you can edit straight any records here, 2, 5. You can edit this one. Just edit, and it goes to the same form here. You can print it out. You can edit right here. Work order number 5, as you can see. I think it's pretty neat. Date, you can change the date, and then you edit. Pretty cool. So if you edit records, that's all the records we have here. If you paginate it, if you have a million, well, thousands of records, it's gonna make page 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's gonna be like 50 records here or 100, however you want it. So it's a pretty cool system. It's a database, and everything, it's just pretty cool. We can make more forms. If you need 5 or 6 forms, we can create the forms, but we don't need all those type of forms, I think. But if you need them, we can create more forms, and we can create more fields, or we can also create another table. We can do unlimited things here with these things. I can do it for you, or you can do it yourself. So search records. If you want to search records by name, search records by address, email, search by phone, search by date, search by name. We can do Jason. There's no Jason here. So, oh man, yeah, look, wow. It has a Jason. So let's do Robert. There's no Robert, so there's not going to be anything there. There's no Robert. Well, let's do Joel. Joel, yes, there is Joel, because I am Joel, and I did all of them because it's Joel. We can also delete it. Let's try to delete it, but I don't think it's going to work. Let's delete. Let's go try to delete one, but if it works, I'm gonna have to remove that because I don't want anyone, deleting anything here. So let's try to delete a record here. Let's go see which one. Let me see. Let's try to delete this one, test. So the name is test. Let's go see test. Search by test. And let's try to delete that one. I don't think it's going to work because when I did this, I didn't put the right page, I guess, but let's try it. See, it didn't because it's not working because I don't want it to work, but I didn't remember. But we can delete a record anywhere with the program. But I don't want you deleting anything here right now. So that's pretty cool. I think this is just nice. Let's create a record so you see how it is. Submit a new order. So let's submit it with let's put Anna. Let's put Anna at yahoo.com. I bet you that email does. Someone has it, but email her if you want. So my number is 240-377-7126. So my number, you can call me if you want website design, your web hosting, domain names, graphic design, logo designs, advertising and marketing, SEO services. Address, we're gonna put Carolina Street. Carolina Street. We can put Stafford, Virginia. Stafford, VA. Sick, I don't know. Comments. Let's get your database installed and going. Description of home. Well, you know this right here, this form. You know why I built this database? I built it because a carpet cleaning business, yeah, or a maid cleaning service. That's what it is. But I can change it however you want. You know, if you need employee name, description of what he does, description, job description, date, whatever, I can put it here. I can change anything I want here. Description of home, you know, build. Let's put single family home. The date today is 6/3/2020. Payment none. Extra services. Contact me today for your work order system. And then you put submit. I can also put a captcha whatever here, so you don't want spammers. And we can put this record, we can put this page public so people can fill it up, or we can give access to anyone we want on this page. The best thing to do would be to have it locked so no public person can fill it up, because sometimes there's spammers, hackers trying to inject something on your database. So it's better to have it password protected and give access to the people that we want to have access. Okay, submit. See, okay, so let's go see that record. That record is right here, Anna, as you can see, and there you can do add another record. See, it's the same. You know, I can put links anywhere I want here. So Anna, single family home, we can edit the Anna, and Anna is right here. You can print this page, you can screen capture it, and you can send it to anyone online. See, screen capture. I don't know if you know how to use screen capture. And your what is it, keyboard, there should be screen captured. I don't see it right now. Oh yeah, print screen. Oh no. Well, this one doesn't have it here, so let's go and get something here. It should be around Windows accessories. It should be snipping tool, new, and then we can copy this page right here. Look at that. Wow, huh? And now you just save it. It's a picture. This is an image. So now you can just open the image, and we can open. Wow, huh? Oops. See, it's an image, and you can send it to anyone. This image, it's pretty okay. So Caroline Street, and then you can also edit the information here. You're going to be able to edit. So the captcha is going to be here. See, required. The captcha is going to be here when because you know, I make everything with security. So you're going to be able to delete any records here too, and view paginated, admin. Okay, see, Anna's right here. So you could have a million different records, million customers, or million employees, million everything. You know, this is a database that goes really a million records or more. Okay, if you edit, delete records, we saw that page. Submit a new work order, you already know that. Search records. Let's see, by Anna. Boom, Anna is right there. You can also delete it. It's not gonna delete right now. Edit. Okay. Contact. Okay, now I have to talk to you about a contact form. Okay, all of this right here, when you submit a record, where is it? Submit a new roller. This doesn't go to your email. This goes straight to your database. I want you to know that. It's to the database. You give access to someone, to an employee, and they can insert records for you. You know. Then you print a work order, and you give it to your employees or whatever. You can do it however you want. Okay, so submit a new order, search records, contact form. We have a contact form here that you fill it up, and then there's a captcha, and then it sends right to your email. Let's see if it's still working. I think it's working. So this one you can put in on a public, so people can contact you, or you can also let me see, what Joe 1980 USA yahoo.com. Phone number, my phone address, none for now, comments, whatever, description, home, whatever they need it, total extra service. You see, as I have it here, is like for a carpet cleaning business or any residential services someone could have. See, let's try submit it, and here they can also print this page. You know, print this page. If they can print this page, the contact form. See, they can print this page, and they can fill it up. They can fill it up at their house, at their home. They fill it up right there, you know, like with an ink pen. They can fill it up, and then they can sign it here. Date, receipt, they have completed, notes, and they can send it to you or whatever, and with their signature. See, or they can just fill it up and send it to you, and later on you, let's see, mail could not be sent. Why? Because maybe we didn't do this, or maybe I don't have it working right here. But let's try it and see. Okay, see what I mean? So, thank you for your inquiry. Please go back to the email. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. So as you can see, we have a full database system for your business. We have a contact form. We can make all contact. We can make more contact forms. If you buy this program, I could make like 5 different contact forms like this if you need, or maybe, you know, 5. I think 5 is okay, or 1, whatever you need. I can make it. If you do the monthly, I can make like 5 different forms. If you do the other one, you're gonna have to make it. You only get 1 form if you get the 1 payment if you buy it. So contact, so main page, you know, you read all that, and and purchase a plan. You can just subscribe here already, and I can take care of you. You can just buy it here or whatever, and that's it. You know, I start working on your database, so your work order system. I did this because, why did I build this? Because I also have a business, you know, and I need a database, and my system is somewhere else, and it's I have it as a restrictive, private, password protected, and I have a big database, and I have all my contacts there. What happens if all your contacts get lost on your computer or your phone? You lose all the data. So if you have it here too, you still have it here, and you can also we make backups of the data. If this goes down, we all have backups too. We'll make backups of your data every week. So you're never gonna lose your data. And you can also access the web hosting account, and you can create backups of your entire website, and you can make backups of your database. So it's a win-win situation here. So main page, purchase a plan, subscribe, and you see how it works. And let's create one more new order. Let's create what name can we use? Andrew. We can do it for first name or last name too, or we can just do one name, Andrew Lovett. Email, we can do Andrew Andrew 1 second, Andrew L@yahoo.com. Phone number, let's use mine, address, none, comments, blah, blah, blah. Description of home, date, we can do it today. We'll do it by date. You'll see that if you do it by date, so all these input fields, I can change them for you. We can make a lot of different input fields here. We can put even 20 of them at one shot. We can put one here, one there. We can put anywhere here on this page. We can make even 100 fields, but it's going to take a long time to do. Submit. So view edit records. So Andrew's right here. We can go search record, and you'll see by date. This is pretty cool. You have 1 million different records, and you see only 2 records on the same date. Pretty cool, huh? And Andrew Lovett, number 10. Boom. And you can use this number as a work order, so you can track it when it's printed. Search records. I built this thing because I used to work for a sign company, and it was freaking crazy there. It was nuts. You should have seen what kind of issues they had with their work order system. Oh my goodness, it was a pain. So we do 100, and there's no 100 here. We do a 10, and there might be a 10. Yeah, there's a 10. All right. Thank you for watching. And if you need a web hosting, website design, or whatever, you can also visit my web hosting website. You can send me an email. Here. I use that one. You can call me here, text me if you need a website. Web address, https sjmwebmaster.com. We can go there. Comments. Let's create your nice responsive website today at the best affordable rates. Dates today. Payment, credit card, of course. I think credit card online on my website. Extra services, advertising, marketing, and can build you custom PHP programs or whatever you need for your personal or business needs. Make your life more easier on you. So as you can see here, we have number 11. So just go here, right click once, go to my website, fjmwebmaster.com, and you can just browse my store, cloud web hosting services, website design services, SEO marketing services, and advertising, and get more clients for you. You'll be on the web, people finding your business, you calling you, making more money. That's the thing, right? You want customers to calling you and making more money. Everybody wants that. I can help you. SSL certificates. All right. Yeah. I hope you you like this thing here, this program, and I can help you with the work order system database. All right. Thank you for watching.